Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on comparing lengths. Students in kindergarten will benefit from many exercises that will help them increase their understanding of length. Comparing the lengths of two or more objects is very useful in helping students understand this concept. Let's look at some examples. Here we have a pen and here we have a ruler. The following two sentences can be written to explain how the above lengths compare with each other. So the first sentence here says, the pen is shorter than the ruler. So here we are using the word shorter. And you can see that the pen is shorter than the ruler. Here we're saying the ruler is longer than the pen. See? So we're using the word longer. And you can see that the ruler is longer than the pen. Here are some basic exercises. Circle all the objects that are longer than the pencil. So here's the pencil here. So if we focus on the pencil, circle the objects that are longer. Circle all the objects that are shorter than the scissors. So there's the scissors. So which objects are shorter? Circle those. Here are some suggestions to help students with length. Draw your classroom desk. Draw two objects in your classroom that are shorter than the top of your desks. So these objects are shorter. Draw two objects that are longer than the top of your desk. So these two objects are longer. They could be asked to draw your classroom door. Draw two objects in your classroom that are shorter than the height of the door. Draw two objects that are longer than the height of the door. And you can explain these activities to the students so they know exactly what they have to do. Some other examples. Draw two objects from the school playground that are longer than your teacher's desk. Draw two objects from the school playground that are shorter than your teacher's desk. Draw two modes of transport that are longer than a car. And you can explain what's required here. Draw two modes of transport that are shorter than a large aeroplane. So this video has talked about distance, and we've seen how we can compare the distances or the lengths of two or more objects.